If you're good, you can say what you want and you can do what you want and you can have fun running your business how you want to run your business. I got a lot of students right now who are scared of selling. And honestly, you can't really blame them for being scared of selling. This is a new business, right? This is a new product. They've never had a sales job before. They just got new scripts that we custom made for them in their business. And for the first time in their lives, they're actually starting to do this business stuff and this entrepreneurship stuff properly. And when you do it properly, success comes quick. And quick success, right, can be scary. And I want to tell you guys, don't be afraid of becoming who you need to be, right? Go all in, man. It doesn't even really matter all the details and emotions in between, right? What you say, how you look, how you feel right now, right? People get so scared. They get their emotions so tied up in things. But if they just take a step back and they'd stop stressing and they just do the things that they need to do, they'd realize they don't need to be scared, right? If you're good, and trust me, you're good after training with us and setting up your business with us. If you're good, right? If you're good, you can say what you want and you can do what you want and you can have fun running your business how you want to run your business. Why? Because the people who buy that, who buy your products, they're going to be happy no matter what. And what they want, what they're buying is the result that you're selling, right? Becoming good is being able to get that result for them, right? For your customers. Everything you said before is going to be void if you can deliver results and you do what you say and you get them exactly what they're paying for or you over deliver. If I'm trying to get to 10 million and I got two people who want to help me make that 10 million, right? One guy sells me because he told me he's going to get me, let's say 100 million, right? Not 10 million. And the other guy doesn't sell me because he only wanted to get me the 10, but this guy said 100, and the dude never got me 100 mil, but he did get me the 10 mil. Am I angry at him, right? Am I going to go back and say, what the fuck, dude, you got me everything I wanted? No, I'm not. So don't stress it, man. If you can deliver, if you know you got a good product and that product can deliver, right, it becomes your ethical responsibility to do whatever it takes to get it in the hands of the people who need it. My name is Spencer Williams. I'm with Williams Wealth Creation. I'll talk to you soon.